I bought this 2006 Legacy, but it has an issue. I can't get in. And the only way inside is through the window. No, I'm just kidding. I can use this. And if I want to get out, you guessed it, can't. Fun. Apparently it's alright. I found some little rust spots. It has 2 pipes. Sadly, I can check if they're real. Oh, they're hot. Must be real. Yep, they're real. And previous owner also have set up the parking sensors. And there's some moisture in this one. So here's the trunk. Nothing special. It had a gas system inside, but the previous owner removed it. So works for me. Now it's only 2-liter petrol. Need to fix these. So got some fiddling around and I managed to unstuck this and also unstuck this. The cable wouldn't go back. And this one was stuck as well. A little bit of WD-40 and everything's working. Nice. Oh, I'm here, boy. Yeah. I'm gonna give it some grease. Oopsie, a little bit too much grease. And then this plastic piece. First the bottom. Yeah. And now this one. I'm gonna go to the store and pick up some supply. Really bad. Okay, the front pads look really good. And the rotors as well. Now how to assemble it back. This one is quite rusty. So I'm gonna be attempting to change the tire. The current one is Michelin Road 4 and the new one will be Road 5. I'm gonna be using this tool set from Temu. First of all, I'm gonna undo the chain tension bolts.